Hello everyone, we are discussing third chapter of biology of 9th class, and that is diversity in living organism. Today we will discuss the comparative study of the 5 group of plants, that are Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. So let's get started. Comparative study of plant groups and these are Thallophyta, second one is Bryophyta, third one is Pteridophyta, fourth one is Gymnosperm, Angiosperm, so these are the 5 group of plants. So first we will take Thallophyta. In Thallophyta, plant body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Root, stem, leaf. Plant body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaf in case of Thallophyta. Vascular tissues are also absent. Vascular tissues absent in case of Thallophyta, and their example are algae. Example of algae are Ulva, Ulothrix, Spirogyra, Chara, Chlamydomonas, etc. Now we have Bryophyta. In this, plant body is differentiated into root, stem, leaf-like structures. In case of Bryophyta, the plant body is differentiated into root, stem and leaf-like structures. It lacks vascular tissue, and the example of Bryophyta is moss, that is also known as Funaria. Funaria and Markensia are two popular examples of Bryophyta. Moving ahead, we have Pteridophyta. In Pteridophyta, plant body is well differentiated. Plant body well differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Vascular tissues are also present. Pteridophyta, it do not produce seeds and the example of Pteridophyta are horsetail, Marsilia and fern. Horsetail, Marsilia and fern are the example of Pteridophyta. However, plant body of Pteridophyta is well differentiated into root, stem and leaf, and vascular tissues, that are the conducting tissues, are also present in the Pteridophyta. It do not produce seeds. Moving ahead, we have gymnosperm. Gymnosperm is the combination of two words. Gymno means naked, and sperm means seeds. And in angiosperm, it is also the combination of two words. Angio means covered and sperm means seeds. In case of gymnosperm, the plant body is well differentiated. Plant body well differentiated. In case of angiosperm, also plant body well differentiated. And vascular tissues are present in case of gymnosperm. Vascular tissue also present in case of angiosperm. It produces naked seeds and example of gymnosperm are Pinus, Cycas, Devdar. Basically, the plants of gymnosperms are used as ornamental or in making furniture and so on. So, gymnosperm is naked seed and the plant body is well differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Vascular tissues are present. It produces naked seeds and example are Cycas and Pinus and Devdar. Moving on, we have angiosperm, that is covered seeds. Their plant body is well differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Vascular tissues are also found in the angiosperm and plant produces seeds. Plant produces covered seeds. These are also known as flowering plant. These are known as flowering plants. Seeds are enclosed in an ovary where it modifies to become fruit. So, the plant body of angiosperm is well differentiated into root, stem and leaf. It contains vascular tissues. Plant produces covered seeds. These are known as flowering plants and seeds are enclosed in an ovary where it modified to become fruit. So, example of angiosperm is flower and fruit. Colorful flower and fruits Fruits like banana, mango, apple, and so on are the examples of the angiosperms. Now angiosperms are also of two types, and they are monocot and dicot. In the previous session we have discussed cotyledons. Cotyledons are the small leaf-like structures found inside the seeds, and it stores food for the growing seed. So monocot angiosperm is further divided into two parts, and they are monocot and second one is dicot. If single leaf-like structure is found inside the seed, it is called monocotyledon. However, if double cotyledons are found inside the seed, it is called dicotyledons. And the example of dicotyledons are beans, rajma, black gram, peas. However, the example of monocots are grass, bamboo tree, maize, rice and wheat. So these are the example of grass, bamboo, maize, rice, wheat are the example of monocot, while the dicot, example of dicot is beans, rajma, black gram, peas. So this is all about the comparative study of the five groups of plants. Thank you.